if the missed call notifications won't go away on your iPhone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now, if you're still seeing a red dot or notification badge on your phone app and it won't go away, so first of all, just go to settings, and under settings, just tap on notifications. Now from here, just look for the phone app, then tap on it. Now, first of all, just disable the toggle for badges. This is what shows the notification dot on your app, and also disable allow notifications. Then go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Once the force restart process is completed, then just go back to settings, then tap on notifications, and from here, just tap on the phone app. Now just enable allow notifications, then enable the toggle for badges. Now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to settings, but this time just tap on general, tap on software update, and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPhone. After that, just go back to general, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, and from here just select reset all settings. Then enter your lock screen pin and tap on reset all settings. Now by resetting all the settings, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone. But if this also did not work, then finally just open the phone app, then go to the recent section. Tap on missed calls and then scroll to the missed calls. And after you view all the missed calls, then just go to your home screen and you will fix the missed call notifications won't go away issue on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.